Namo Namaha. Welcome back, students. In today's session, we are going to continue with the chapter Savitri Bai Phule. In the previous part, we have seen information about the early life of Savitri Bai Phule. In today's session, we will get information about the great work done by her. So let's continue with the chapter Savitri Bai Phule.
अत्रास्ति प्रथमः गद्यांशः. अहं गद्यांशं पठामि. अष्टचतुरष्ट एकतमे ख्रिस्ताब्दे पुणेनगरे सावित्री ज्योतिबा महोदयेन सह कन्यानां कृते प्रदेशस्य प्रथमं विद्यालयम् आरभत. तदानीं सा केवलं 17 वर्षीया आसीत्. 158 ख्रिस्ताब्दे अस्पृश्यत्वात् तिरस्कृतस्य समुदायस्य बालिकानां कृते पृथक्तया तया अपरः विद्यालयः प्रारब्धः. I hope you have understood the pronunciation of words. Students, there is no example of sandhihi or sanyogah in this gadyamshah. So let's see the meanings of the words and the translation of the gadyamshah. अष्टचतुरष्ट एकतमे ख्रिस्ताब्दे पुणे नगरे सावित्री ज्योतिबा महोदयेन सह कन्यानां कृते प्रदेशस्य प्रथमं विद्यालयम् आरभत. अष्टचतुरष्ट एकतमे ख्रिस्ताब्दे means in the year 1848 AD. Pune Nagare, in Pune city, Savitri Jyotiba Mahodayena Saha, along with respected Jyotiba, Kanyanang Krute, for girls, Pradeshasya Prathamam Vidyalayam, region's first school, Arabhata started. In the year 1848 AD, along with respected Jyotiba, Savitri started the region's first school for girls. Tadanin sa kevalam 17 varshiya asit. Tadanim, at that time, sa kevalam 17 varshiya, 17 years old, asit was. At that time, she was just 17 years old. एकपञ्च एकतमे ख्रिस्ताब्दे, in the year 1851 AD, अस्पृश्यत्वात् तिरस्कृतस्य समुदायस्य बालिकानां कृते, अस्पृश्यत्वात् due to untouchability, तिरस्कृतस्य means insulted, humiliated, samudayasya of the community, बालिकानां कृते for girls, पृथक्तया separately, taya by her, aparaha vidyalayah, and another school, prarabdhah, was started. In the year 1851 AD, and another school was separately started by her for the girls of the community humiliated due to untouchability. In the year 1851 AD, she separately started another school for the girls of the community humiliated due to untouchability. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Gadyamshah. Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The word Prathamam is the Visheshanam of the word Vidyalayam. The word Saptadasha Varshiya is the Visheshanam of the pronoun Sa, which is used for Savitri. Tiraskrutasya is the Visheshanam of the word Samudayasya, and Aparaha is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham Vidyalayah. Now, let's move on to the Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani from the given Gadyamshah. Here are the paryaya padani. Pattane, the paryaya padam is nagare. Balikanam, the paryaya padam is kanyanam. Apamanitasya, the paryaya padam is tiraskrutasya. And anyah, the paryaya padam is aparaha. Here are the vilomapade. Sammanitasya, the vilomapadam is tiraskrutasya. And samaptah, the vilomapadam is prarabdhah. Students, two important rules of Upapad Vibhaktihi are used in this Gadyamshah, and they are Jyotiba Mahodayena Saha. Here, the indeclinable Saha is used. It governs Tritiya Vibhaktihi, due to which the word Jyotiba Mahodayena is also used in Tritiya. There is one more rule of Upapad Vibhaktihi. Kanyanam Krute and Balikanam Krute. In these two examples, the indeclinable Krute is used. It governs Shashti Vibhaktihi, and due to that, the words Kanyanam and Balikanam are used in Shashti Vibhaktihi.
Savitribai Phule played an important role in women's education and empowerment. This fact has been beautifully explained in the given Gadyamshah. I hope you have understood the Gadyamshah. Now let's see the Agrimaha Gadyamshah.
Atrasti Agrimaha Gadyamshah. Aham Gadyamsham Pathami. सामाजिक कुरीतीनां सावित्री मुखरं विरोधम् अकरोत्. विधवानां शिरोमुण्डनस्य निराकरणाय सा साक्षात् नापितैः मिलिता. फलतः केचन नापिताः अस्यां रूढौ सहभागिताम् अत्यजन्. एकदा सावित्र्या मार्गे दृष्टं यत् कूपं निकषा चीर्णवस्त्रावृताः तथा कथिताः निम्नजातीयाः काश्चित् नार्यः जलं पातुं याचन्ते स्म. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah from the given Gadyamshah. In this Gadyamshah, there are only two examples of sandhihi, and they are Shirna Vastravrutaha. This word has an internal sandhihi, and Kaschit. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Shirna Vastravrutaha, the dissolution is Shirna Vastra plus Avrutaha. Kaschit, the dissolution is Kaha plus Chit. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the Gadyamshah. Samajika Kuritinam Savitri Mukharam Virodham Akarot. Samajika Kuritinam means of social evil practices. The social evils which were prevalent back then. Savitri Mukharam means strongly. Virodham Akarot, opposed. Savitri strongly opposed the social evil practices. Vidhavanam Shiromundanasya Nirakaranaya sa sakshat napitaihi milita. Vidhavanam of widows. Shiromundanasya means of the custom of shaving heads. Vidhvanam Shiromundanasya of the custom of shaving heads of widows. Nirakaranaya, to eradicate. Sa sakshat napitaihi milita. Sakshat, in person. Napitaihi milita, she met barbers. In order to eradicate the custom of shaving the heads of widows, she met barbers in person. In order to eradicate the custom of shaving the heads of widows, she met barbers in person. फलतः केचन नापिताः अस्यां रूढौ सहभागिताम् अत्यजन्. फलतः, as a result of which, केचन नापिताः, some barbers, अस्यां रूढौ, in this custom, सहभागिताम् अत्यजन्. सहभागिताम्, participation, atyajan, gave up. As a result of which, some barbers gave up their participation in this custom. It means some barbers refused to take part in this custom. एकदा सावित्र्या मार्गे दृष्टं यत् कूपं निकषा शीर्णवस्त्रावृताः तथा कथिताः निम्नजातीयाः काश्चित् नार्यः जलं पातुं याचन्ते स्म. एकदा, once, सावित्र्या मार्गे दृष्टं, it was seen by Savitri on the road. Yat, that, कूपं निकषा, कूपम, well, nikasha, near a well, शीर्ण वस्त्रावृताः, who were wearing torn clothes, तथा कथिताः means so called, निम्न जातीयाः means those who belonged to lower caste, तथा कथिताः निम्न जातीयाः means those who belong to so called lower caste. काश्चित् नार्यः, some women, जलं पातुं याचन्ते स्म, याचन्ते स्म were requesting, jalam patum, to drink water. The meaning of the sentence is, once it was seen by Savitri on the road that some women who were wearing torn clothes and who belonged to so-called lower caste were requesting to drink water near a well. Once it was seen by Savitri on the road that some women who were wearing torn clothes and who belonged to so-called lower caste were requesting to drink water near a well. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Gadyamshaha. Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The word Mukharam is the Visheshanam of the word Virodham, and the words Shirna Vastravrutaha and Nimna Jatiyaha are the Visheshane of the Visheshyam Naryaha. Now, let me take you to the Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani from the given Gadyamshaha. Here are the Paryaya Padani. Prathayam, the Paryaya Padam is Rudhau. Vapim, the Paryaya Padam is Kupam. Samipe athava Antike, the Paryaya Padam is Nikasha. Striyaha athava Mahilaha, the Paryaya Padam is Naryaha. And Udakam athava Toyam, the Paryaya Padam is Jalam. Let's see the Viloma Pade. Samarthanam, the Viloma Padam is Virodham, and Duram, the Viloma Padam is Nikasha. Students, one important rule of Upapad Vibhaktihi is used in this Gadyamshaha. It is Kupam Nikasha. Nikasha is an indeclinable, it means near, and it governs Dvitiya Vibhaktihi, due to which the word Kupam is used in Dvitiya Vibhaktihi. Students, you should also take a note of an important form used in this Gadyamshaha. It is Patum. It has Pa Pibadhatuhu plus Tumun Pratyayah.
Savitribai Phule relentlessly fought against the dominant caste system in India. She is regarded as the first modern Indian feminist who stood up for women's rights and also fought against the custom of widows shaving their heads. I hope you have understood this Gadyamshah. Now let's see the Agrimah Gadyamshah.
अत्रास्ति गद्यांशः अहं गद्यांशं पठामि. उच्चवर्गीयाः उपहासं कुर्वन्त्यः कूपात् जलोद्धरणम् अवारयन्. सावित्री एतत् अपमानं सोढुं नाशक्नोत्. सा ताः स्त्रियः निजगृहं नीतवती. तडागं दर्शयित्वा अकथयत् च यत् यथेष्टं जलं नयत. सार्वजनिकोऽयं तडागः. अस्मात् जलग्रहणे नास्ति जातिबन्धनं. तया मनुष्याणां समानतायाः स्वतन्त्रतायाश्च पक्षः सर्वदा सर्वथा समर्थितः. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah from the given Gadyamshah. The words with sandhihi or sanyogah are Jalodharanam, Na Shaknot, Sarvajanikoyam, Nasti, and Swatantratayascha. Students, all these words are the examples of sandhihi. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Jalodharanam, this word has an internal sandhihi and the dissolution is jala plus uddharanam. Na shaknot, the dissolution is na plus ashaknot. Sarvajanikoyam, the sandhi vichchedah is sarvajanikah plus ayam. Nasti, the sandhi vichchedah is na plus asti. And swatantratayascha, the sandhi vichchedah is swatantratayaha plus cha. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the Gadyamshah. उच्चवर्गीयाः उपहासं कुर्वन्त्यः कूपात् जलोद्धरणम् अवारयन्. Uchavargiyaha means those who belong to upper class. Upahasam kurvantyah means ridiculing them or taunting them. Kupat, from the well. Jalodharanam avarayan. Avarayan stopped. They stopped them from taking water from the well. The others who belonged to upper class stopped them from taking water from the well while ridiculing them. Savitri etat apamanam sodhum na ashaknot. Etat apamanam, this insult. Sodhum, to tolerate. Na ashaknot, could not. Savitri could not tolerate this insult. Sa taha striyah nijagruhan neetavati. Taha striyah, those women. Nijagruham, her own house. Neetavati, took. She took those women to her own house. Tadagam darshayitva akathayat cha. Tadagam darshayitva, showing a pond. Akathayat cha, she said. And showing a pond, she said, Yat yatheshtam jalam nayata. Jalam nayata, take water, yatheshtam, as per your wish. Take water as per your wish, it means take water as much as you want. Sarvajanikoyam tadagah. Sarvajanikah means open for all. Ayam tadagah, this pond. This pond is open for all. Asmat jalagrahane nasti jati bandhanam. Jati bandhanam, restriction of a caste. जलग्रहणे for taking water. अस्मात् जलग्रहणे नास्ति जाति बंधनम. There is no restriction of a caste to take water from it. तया मनुष्याणां समानतायाः स्वतन्त्रतायाः च पक्षः सर्वदा सर्वथा समर्थितः. समानतायाः of equality, स्वतन्त्रतायाः of freedom. Pakshah means aspect. Sarvada, always. Sarvatha, by all means. Samarthitah, supported. The meaning of the sentence is, she always supported the aspect of equality and freedom of human beings by all means. She always supported the aspect of equality and freedom of human beings by all means. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Gadyamshah. Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The word Kurvantyah is the Visheshanam of the word Uchchavargiyaha, and the word Sarvajanikah is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham Tadagah. Now, let me take you to Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani based on the given Gadyamshah. Here are the Paryaya Pade. Kasarah, the Paryaya Padam is Tadagah, and Nityam, the Paryaya Padam is Sarvada. Here are the Vilomapade. Sammanam, the Vilomapadam is Apamanam, and Vishamatayaha, the Vilomapadam is Samanatayaha. Students, let's move on to some important forms used in this Gadyamshah. The important forms are Sodhum, it has Saha Dhatuhu plus Tumun Pratyayah, and Darshayitva, it has Drush Dhatuhu plus Nich Pratyayah plus Tva Pratyayah. Students, Nich Pratyayah is not included in our syllabus. It is given here just for your information.
Students, I would like to end the explanation here. We will meet again with the next part of the lesson. Dhanyavadaha. Punarmilamaha.